Welcome back to our channel. We are Amelia and Sunny, and today's session is not just a podcast.
It's going to be your full English speaking training.
Stop wasting time. Ask these 5 questions instead.
Yes, only 5 simple questions, but if you use them every day, they can completely change your English.
Let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel nervous when speaking English?
Do you understand English but can't speak?
If your answer is yes, this session is for you.
Part 1. Deep mindset shift.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need big vocabulary.
You need daily thinking and speaking.
And questions help you do that naturally.
Part 2. Question 1. Ultra practice. Where am I right now?
Answer slowly.
I am at home. I am in my room. I am outside.
Now expand. I am at home and I am practicing English.
Now go deeper. I am at home and I am practicing English to improve my speaking skills.
Repeat 3 times.
Part 3. Question 2. Observation drill. What can I see around me?
Look around carefully.
I see a table. I see a phone. I see a chair.
Now expand. I am at home and I am practicing English. Advanced. I see many things around me and I am describing them in English. Repeat 3 times.
Part 4. Thinking drill. What am I thinking about?
I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my goals.
Expand. I am thinking about improving my English and becoming confident.
Repeat 3 times.
Part 5. Past practice. What did I learn today?
I learned new words. I practiced speaking.
Expand. I learned new English words and practiced speaking today.
Repeat 3 times.
Part 6. Future thinking. What will I do next?
I will study English. I will practice more.
Expand. I will practice English again later and improve my speaking.
Repeat 3 times.
Part 7. Guided practice round 1. Answer all 5 questions. Pause each 5 seconds.
Part 8. Guided practice round 2. Longer answers. Try longer sentences. Speak continuously.
Part 9. No pause challenge. Answer quickly. No thinking in native language.
Part 10. Repetition block. Fluency builder.
I ask questions every day.
I answer in English.
I am improving step by step.
I speak without fear.
Repeat 7 times.
Part 11. Real life situations. Extended.
Morning. I woke up early today and I feel fresh and ready.
House. I am in my room and I am practicing English.
Study. I am studying English and learning new words.
Walking. I am walking outside and practicing speaking.
Market. I am in the market and I see many people around me.
Part 12. Imagination practice advanced.
Imagine you are in another country.
I am in a new country and I am speaking English with people.
Part 13. Self-conversation. Deep.
Ask, what is my goal?
Answer, my goal is to speak English fluently.
Ask, how can I improve?
Answer, I can improve by practicing daily.
Part 14. Confidence training.
Confidence comes from action.
Not from thinking.
Part 15. Final long practice. Answer all 5 questions again. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes continuously.
Part 16. Final repetition.
I practice every day.
I am confident.
I am improving daily.
I will speak fluently.
Repeat 7 times. Rocket final emotional message.
Remember this. Small daily questions create big results.
Just 5 questions a day can change your English forever.
Ending.
Now tell us honestly, will you start today?
Comment yes or no.
Subscribe to our channel and start your journey.
See you in the next episode.